Welcome! If you're looking to change your gender to woman in the Roblox mobile app, you're in the right place. Whether you're updating your profile or just want your avatar to better reflect you, I'll walk you through the latest, easiest steps to make it happen. Grab your phone, and let's get started. First, open up the Roblox app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. Once you're in, look down at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 small dots labeled More. Go ahead and tap on those. Now, a new menu will pop up. Scroll down until you see Settings. Tap on it to open your account settings. This is where you can change all sorts of personal information, but today we're focusing on your gender. Next, find and tap on Account Info. This section holds all your main account details, including your username, birthday, and, of course, your gender. Tap on Account Info to open it up. Once you're in the Account Info section, look for the gender option. You'll see 2 icons, one for male and one for female. To change your gender to woman, simply tap on the woman icon. It should highlight or fill in to show that you've selected it. After you've made your selection, make sure to save your changes. Sometimes Roblox saves automatically, but it's always good to double-check. If there's a save button, tap it to confirm your new gender setting. And that's it. You've just updated your gender to woman in the Roblox mobile app. Now your profile will reflect your choice, and you can continue exploring Roblox as your true self. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Roblox tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.